You like living trusts better than wills. What goes into a living trust?
So a living trust is a much longer document than will. A living trust is designed to avoid probate. It says who gets your stuff when you die. It may have provisions to avoid estate taxes. It may set up even trusts for your kids when when you're gone. So you might even say, hey, I've got my kids are 4 and 6. Obviously, they're not going to get their money until they're 18 by law anyway. But you may want to, make sure that they're put through college. We can do that. We may want to. You may have a kid who's unlucky in marriage. You may want to set it up so that they, their inheritance is protected from their divorces. We can do that. You may have a developmentally disabled adult child or a special needs child, somebody who has other disabilities and they're getting public benefits. We can set up a special needs trust for them. All inside your trust. So we can say all these things when you pass on, when you die, are taken care of. So
does a living trust also say how you should be cared for when you can no longer make decisions about yourself?
yes, that's a really important thing. So we really want to make sure how do we take care of you when you're alive. We can put in there that we don't want a nursing home. We can we can put that in there. We can also say what happens if you become incapacitated, who takes over for you. So now you're incapacitated. With a will, the will doesn't tell the judge who takes over for you if you're you've lost your mind. You can't remember your kids.
But the
you have
living trust
Alzheimer's.
does.
But living trust does take over.
So what are some of the things that the living trust does while you're still alive? Some of the things it takes care of.
So to me, I really think it's important to talk about what happens in your life. Well, who's going to take care of you? Who's going to make your financial decisions in your life? It's a different job than when you're dead. When you're alive, you need somebody to pay for your care, to pay your bills, somebody who can
Manages your money.
manage your money and manage it for your life, manage it so it can pay for care. A much different job than just passing money to your kids.
Attorney Martha Patterson is offering you a free strategy session. Find out about wills, trusts, and other important documents. If you're facing a crisis, call now. Mention this program and you'll get $250 off any legal services after the free strategy session. 855-ELDER-77. 855-ELDER-77.